Hey, happy Monday morning. I want to tell you guys a quick story about how I just won some brand new Apple AirPods and how you can also. So, if you haven't talked to me much, you haven't watched much of my content, I'm a very, very positive person and I'm very big into manifestation, right? Almost thinking things into reality, speaking things into existence. But what I found more and more is that the reason why this works for me is because I take these small steps, the small actions to actually help me to make these things a reality. Simple example is I get the first parking spot all the time at restaurants, the mall, whatever it might be, but it's simply because I go look for it. Way too often are people in the mindset of, oh no, the parking lot's super full, I better just take the first spot, or I park on the street or a block away because it's gonna be full. But people don't bother going to go look for the first spot. So that's that small action I take to make sure my manifestations sort of become a reality. So what happened with these Apple AirPods was I was actually at a business conference last week, walked up to a booth that was doing a drawing for AirPods, and I took a few steps to ensure that I won. First off, when I was entering, I truly believed and I saw it in my mind that I would win. I felt what it would feel like to have them call me and say that I won. But then I also told the woman. I spoke it into existence, but I told her specifically, hey, this is my name and I'm going to win. Chances are good that she's the one that did the drawing. I don't know for a fact, but chances are good she's the one that did the drawing. And so I took a small action to help myself win. After that, I proceeded to actually get a little lucky and get some more extra entries. So again, another easy thing to help me win. And the last but not least, I told her a story about when I used to do promotions and contests in the past and how we used to pick the winners was based off of people who would actually help our brand to grow. And so I told her this, and I told her that if I were to win, I'd be one of those people who would share their brand, tell their story, and help them to grow. And lo and behold, I won. So I take that as a sign, whether you're into manifestation, whether you're into spiritual energy or you're not, the point of the matter being that you need to take action first. You need to ensure that you're taking the small steps to ensure you see success, whatever it is that you're manifesting in life. So good luck. Go win yourself some new AirPods.